Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I am with one more bedroom set for you. And this time I have a new thing in this bedroom set, that is a clock. It's a quite different design. We'll discuss about this. Before that, I'll explain each item one by one, the sizes, details, the wood type, color, and everything. I'll start with the bed itself. In a bedroom, this is the first thing, a bed. And the beds are king size, queen size, super king size, deluxe, California king, Eastern king, super deluxe. These are multiple names of the beds, and that is primarily the size of the mattress. So if the mattress is 72 by 78 inches, it is the standard India king size bed. So when we talk about king size bed in India, it is 6 by 6.5 feet mattress area. The width of the mattress thickness depends on your requirement. It's 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 15 inches, 18 inches, and 24 inches also. Very thick 2 feet mattresses are also available. It depends on your choice, what you want. It could be orthopedic, spring mattress, square mattress, or memory foam. There are multiple things available in the market, entirely your choice. According to the mattress size, the beds are made, and this is a India king size bed. The actual size of the bed, this left to right, this bed is 87 inches. The height of the back is 6.5 feet, and then we have the front part and the sides as well. And there is a storage box right in the middle. This is made for an 8 inches mattress that'll come on it, and that's why we also have a storage here. If the mattress is quite thick, more than 10 inches, 12 inches, so the storage doesn't have any use because it will be quite thin. So we provide it without the storage as well. So we have both the options, with storage and without storage, and the storage is with hydraulic. So you need not hold it, simply pull it up and push it down, and it closes very easily. Storage is quite handy. It can store very essential things like extra mat, extra quilting and pillows, bed sheets, or some other stuff that you want in your bedroom. You can keep it right here, right next to you. Along with the bed, we normally have nightstands, or we call side tables also, bedside tables. The bedside table here is 24 inches left to right, front to back 18 inches, and the height is 24 inches. And it has got a beautiful curve, as you can see, with two drawers, one drawer on the top and one drawer underneath. And it also has lock for the top drawer as the client asked for. These minor things are as per the requirement again. If you want the lock, we provide it. If you don't want it, we can remove that as well. Another interesting thing about this bed is the side design. If you see closely, you will see very beautifully carved design all over on both the sides, and this is one of the highlights of this bed. This is one of the top designer beds that is available anywhere across the globe, and with the carving all over on left, front, right, and this back part as well. The back part, this part at the back is always plain because bed 99% goes on the wall. The overall look of the unit, you can see how beautifully it is coming out, and this is hand crafting work, the hand carving that we do here by the local master artisans, because this is not the work of local carpenters. And the carving, the fineness, the design all over, the quilting part that you see, this cushion part, we call it quilting. The paint work that you see, the gold with the brownish shade, this is metallic gold, this is not a regular gold. When you see closely, you will find the metallic thing coming out, just like the cars we have, metallic cars and non-metallic. Similarly, some metallic shade of gold with brown shading, and the overall look, you can see, real nice work. Sometimes very strange that we praise our own thing, but this is the carving work, artwork, and a beautiful thing should be praised, according to me. About the wood part, if we talk, this is teak wood. The back, the front, the sides, they are in teak wood. The middle part is plywood. Generally, when we have plain sides, then we make the entire boxes in ply. But here we have the carving all over. That is why the four sides are in teak wood, and the paint, as I mentioned, metallic gold with brown shading. The other thing we have in this room is a clock. The antique style clock is 7 feet high. The base is 2 feet left to right, and the design you can see in a form of a tree and a beautiful Victorian clock right in the middle. A nice design and quite in demand these days. These clocks can be put in living room or any area where you want some decoration work, and this client wanted it along with the bed, so we prepared it, and generally they are kept in the living room as a decoration piece. Along with this, another thing that is quite in demand is a bedroom chair. The back height is 52 inches, a little less than 4.5 feet, left to right 32 inches, front to back 28 inches. And bedroom chairs are really helpful and quite handy in a bedroom if you have master bedroom, a bigger room, because if you are not feeling like sitting on a bed all the time, you can sit on a chair and relax. You can read a book, you can do some work, you can have a coffee table along with this. Generally, there is a coffee table, but this client didn't require one, so we haven't made it. And the design overall, you can see how beautifully the pattern is, and again matching to the theme of the bed. If you match the crown part of this chair, you will find the resemblance with the center part of the bed, and that is how the matching is done. When people question about how the furniture will match each other in a room, generally there are two things. One is the carving pattern. So we take some important or some elements from the main item, that is the bed, and we incorporate the same design. Just like in this design you can see in the middle and the crown part, we incorporate the same pattern and it gets matching. The second thing is the color. When the colors are matched, obviously they look similar. And the last thing is the fabric part. The fabric that we have used at the back of the bed, similar fabric we have in the chairs. The entire furniture matches each other. This is the basic concept of matching the furniture designs. Broadly, in luxury furniture, people look for a few things. One, the design, then the theme. Because these days, the interior designers, the architects, the home decorators, the house designers, they broadly work on a theme. And they show you some themes, that this is one theme, this is second theme, third theme, and this theme has got several elements. These elements include the flooring. How is it? It could be a wooden flooring or marble flooring, granite flooring, or something else. Then the carpet work you have in the room, the chandeliers if you have, the wall colors. It could be wallpapers, it could be louvers, it could be the wall paneling. Then the lighting work. Generally, we have false ceiling these days, and with the false ceilings, we have LED profile lighting and different kind of lightings. How the light effect is there. Some people use multiple colors. Some people use warm theme, and accordingly, the entire theme is designed. According to the theme, the fabrics are also chosen because generally they are either in contrast with the curtains or matching with the base color of the curtain, and that is how the fabric is chosen. Here at Aarsun, what we do different from other people. Generally, when you walk into a store and you're looking for, let's say, you're looking for a bed, what they do is they show you 10, 20 beds sitting there, and you choose one and you take it home. The bed could be with side tables or without side table. And let's say, for example, that the fabric on the bed, you don't like that. And you ask the shop owner to change that. What they'll do is they will make an entire new unit and will charge some extra money, and they can make that for you. However, the choices are very limited because they have kept their inventory or their catalog to very limited designs, because they don't want to work much and understand much what you really require. Here at Arson, we give you a free hand. You choose what you like: size, design, color, fabric, the number of side tables. You want one, you want two, you want a different side table. You don't like this, you don't like the design, the curvaceous design. We provide you that. You want something that goes on the wall, we can provide you that. The color part, you don't like this color, you feel it's more than what you are looking for, we can change the color. We have all the colors from polishing, natural wood finish, darker wood finish, cherry, mahogany. Then the even the gloss. If you don't like the gloss finish, you want matte, you want semi matte, we can do that for you. Then in the colors, in Duco paints, we have got gold, antique silver, rose gold, then white, off white, triple shade, dual shade. There's so many colors and more colors we are getting done these days. Right now, we are working on an order for a US client, and she is very artistic. She loves to play with the colors, and her furniture is getting all the colors from pink, from light blue, a gray shade. So there are so many colors she wants in the furniture, and we are doing that. It's entirely your choice, and that is why Arson makes choice wala furniture. Point number two, what makes us different? What we use, the raw material, the fabric, and all the things that we are using in the furniture is of high quality material. And that is why our furniture is not cheap furniture. Cheap furniture you can get in a shed, a local roadside shop that makes that kind of furniture because they don't have expenses. They are not responsible for their work. Once they sell it out, they no more take care of that. These things are high quality, and that's why nothing is cheap here. When we use high quality material, we can assure that they are durable, will last for a very long time, and they will be like this for years. The wood is teak, and teak wood is for lifetime. The paint that we are using are from the top brands like Sirca, Nerolac, Asian Paints. These are top brands we are using in the furniture, automotive paints. And a simple example for the durability of the paint I'll give you. We do have cars that go out in the sun, the rain, the extreme weathers, and the paint remains like that for years. These things are sitting inside the room. They're not going outside. In proper environment, in controlled temperature. There is no rain or very direct sunlight on the units. So you can easily understand how durable the paint will be and for how long it will remain like this. Other point is about the price, and very important as well. We are the manufacturers and we are delivering right to your home. It could be anywhere in India or to more than 55 countries we are delivering to. It goes directly from here to your place, and there is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent. There is no one in the middle to escalate the cost. So you get the best price from Arson and getting directly delivery at your home. And what you're looking at on the screen right now is our testimonials section. This section has thousands of pictures from across the globe, from different clients' places, not just India, but outside India also. And these are the final pictures after the furniture has reached their homes, they have placed it, they are happy with the output. Clients took pictures, sent it back to us with their love, their blessing, and we are so happy and proud to display them on our website. These pictures are not just testimonials, not just for us, but for you also. A number of designers are using these pictures to design homes for their clients. They are getting very good references of how to design their client's home because it has got complete pictures. And these houses are designed by several big designers, architects, and that could be a good reference point for you as well. Generally, when you have too many options, people get confused at how would this look in my setup. Let's say I have light color walls or wooden flooring, and I'm looking for some golden furniture. And if you want some reference point, how would that furniture look in your setup? These all pictures are very good reference point. So you can decide how it will look, and accordingly you can proceed. We give you a complete free hand. You decide, you select what you like, what you love, and the final output would be like your choice, and we'll be happy to make it as per your requirement. At factory price, best quality, durable furniture, the brand of Arson, and home delivery across the globe. So please select freely, contact us with your choice, let us know what you want, let us make it for you, and let us make your guests very happy with the choice of furniture. Thank you. Dhanyavad.